Good evening, friends. Vidapala, Engineering and General Geology, Parbin Singh. In Chapter 5, Geological Work of a Glacier, according to this, inside the chapter, first introductions, glacial morphology, type of glacier, geological work of glacier, glacial erosion and rate of a glacial erosion, feature of a glacial erosion and glacial transport, movement of glaciers, glacial deposits and morphological notes on glacial deposit, glaciations in the past and engineering consideration. According this chapter, geological work of glaciers, here typical questions are described. So first question in detail, give a general account of glaciers as agent of a geomorphological change on the earth. Question number second describes with the help, this question in detail, describes with the help of neat sketch the process of erosion as performed by glaciers, explain important feature of a glacial erosion. Question number third in detail explains with the help of neat sketch various features of glacial deposits, what is their significance for civil engineers. And question number fourth with short note, write a short note on any 4-5 of the following. So here this Neviations, glacial plucking, cirque, hanging valley, terminal moraine, outwash plain, fjord, rocky mountains, drumlins, and crevices. Question number 5. Tick the correct answer. This is optional type. First A questions, glaciers are downwards moving bodies of. So select the questions with option 1. So one, pure snow. Second, mostly ice and maybe some snow at the top. Third, snow at the bottom and some ice at the top. Or fourth options, none of the above. So question number A answer is 2. Mostly ice. Mostly ice and maybe some snow at the top. Second question, hanging valley develop when first A options, rate of erosion is greater in the main valleys compared to the side valley. Second, rate of glacial erosion is greater in the side valley as compared to that of main valley. Third, the rate of glacial erosion is same in both the valleys. And fourth is none of these. B question answer is 1. The rate of erosion is greater in the main valleys compared to the side valley. C question, Rocky Mountain is a feature of glacial erosion, glacial deposition, glacial erosion and deposition, and none of the above. So C is a CI, glacial erosion. D question is the rate of downwards movement in a glacier is first option. So we select 1, same throughout its body. Second, greater at the top compared to at the base. Third is lesser at the top compared to the base. And fourth is none of the above there. None of the above 3. So D, select one answer, second number. So greater at the top compared to at the base. E question, till tilite is the name given to options. We select one. First, we read carefully every option. First, I, a rock like a mass made of rivers washed sand, clay, and boulders and having layers. Second options, a rock like a mass made of boulders and clay showing no evidence of assortment and indicating direct deposition from glacial ice. Third options, a cavity created in a rock like mass due to meltings of an ice block subsequent to deposition of the mass. Fourth, none of the above. Question number 6 in detail, but they here describe the point. Compare and contrast the help of a sketch were necessary. Yani this means to say here compare with the river valley and glacial valley. So we make river valley diagram, glacial valley diagram, and compare it with point to point. Second, glacial main valley, make a diagram. Glacial hanging valley, make a diagram and write point in point to point answer. Question number third, pothole and kettle. So make diagram pothole and kettle and compare in words, few words with point to point. And question number 4, dunes and drumlins. So we make dune and drumlin diagram and we write answer in point to point with comparison, what difference here and what difference here. For fifth, loess and outwash. We make loess diagram and outwash. We compare in few words with basic point. Thank you.